we will talk about the animal classification. Now, animal classification is a big deal over here because it has the vast variety. I mean, there are mainly two classification. Those are the plantae and animalia, right? Those are the two, plantae and animalia. But we have some organism that show the character of both sometime, or some show more of animalia, less of plantae, or some only show of plantae, some only show of animalia, and some don't show even both of the characters. So that's why we have created the five kingdom of classification. So generally there are the two main plantae and animalia which are the most diverse as well as the most complex type of organisms on our planet Earth. And similarly the most simple one are in the Monera and algae and Protista. These are the things. So Monera, Protista, algae, plantae, animalia, these are all the kingdoms given by the Robert Whittaker. Robert gave that and told us that based on this type of classification, we will learn all about them. So first, let's understand the plants. Now, in plants, what comes what? So here, each type of plants are divided into two: the seed bearing one and the not seed bearing one. That is cryptogams and phanerogams. Those are the two main. Now, while knowing about the two main, so cryptogams and phanerogams, and these are the things that are there. So, cryptogams and phanerogams are really important. Whenever we are talking about this type of the games, then in the crypto games there are three different phylums, as we can say, or division if you want to say, classes, division, whatever you want, say by your own classification. So in crypto games we have Thalophyta, then it is known as Bryophyta. Thalophyta is also known as algae, that is Spirogyra is also present in there. So it is also called as algus. Also in Bryophyta it is Bryophyllum and Pteridophyta. So these are the three. Now after that in Phanerogams there are two, gymnosperms and angiosperms, and in the angiosperm we have monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Now when we are talking about this type of thing, so the seed bearing one have two type: one in which fruits are formed, that is the seed is covered, that, and the one in which the seed is naked. Gymno means what? Naked, right? Gymno means naked and spermie means seed. So gymnospermie means it is a naked seed, and angiospermie it is a covered seed mainly with flowers. That's the thing. Now these type of division of seeds were not seen in the starting phases of the thing of each plant. That is, in Theriophyta, these were not seen because they are the marine one, which are sticky, thin thread like at the unicellular level, connected to each other, intertwined, and multiplying really fast, maybe with the help of filament and many things, but they do that. Also, while we are talking about the thallophyta, we need to know that they are sand burrowers, so they love water for their life. They are made for water. That's the thing. So their whole classification is based on water. The biggest example of that you can find is Spirogyra. It is the biggest example. Now it has a spread type of chloroplast. It is not a simple chloroplast. It has a spider web like chloroplast which is really thin, right? And it's like somebody splattered it. It was in the shape of a ball and somebody splattered it. That's how it looks like in the diagram. And the nucleus is up front and many more. Thank you.